famous Telugu poet from Andhra Pradesh. The words which has been uttered by him is, "Ye dese megina, ఎందుకాలిడినా పొగడరా నీ తల్లి భూమి భారతిని నిలుపరా నీ జాతి నిండు గౌరవము." The meaning of is, whoever the citizen of India, wherever he step, he has to praise his motherland and he has to keep the decorum and dignity to a maximum extent. But what actually happening today is, the elected representatives who has been taken the oath under the third schedule of the Constitution, bearing true faith and allegiance to the sovereignty and integrity of India, they were almost all acting against the systems when they were abroad on the foreign soil. A person who has been elected from the elected member, especially I would bring the attention to this house regarding to the Congress leader who has been abroad, making a defamatory statement.
Anything is objection. Please take India. If anything is objectionable, I will see that it is getting explained. I will look into it if anything is objectionable. Please stick to your subject, please.
The Constitution says the democracy is dead, and the so making an appeal to the international community, defending the nation's heritage, defending the nation's prestige. I draw the attention to the House. The People's Representation Act in this regard should be amended. The person who should make such kind of comments, he should be declared as disqualified from contesting in the elections and should be banned from the House. I draw the attention to the House to bring certain amendments on the People's Representation Constitution.
If it is objectionable, I will expunge it.
Through the concerned House, sir. So these are the observations which are.
Please stick to your subject, please.
Yes, yes.
I will look into it.
So far as these were taking it advantage, many of the disciples of the concerned members, they are making the remarks through the social media, defaming the Indian dignity and decorum across the world, creating as if something is happening in India which is against the democracy, which is against the Constitution, and they are asking the international anti-social elements to intervene into the Indian structure and Indian Constitution. So basically these things, I brought the attention to the House to bring certain amendments to the People's Representation Act to you, to the concerned government.
Very good.